Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the English class. So, in this video, we are going to see about notice writing. Okay, so in the last video, we have seen how to write a report. So, in this video, we are going to see about notice writing. That is, how to write a notice. Okay, first listen to your book. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards in schools or in public places. Okay, so a notice is a formal means of communication. So it is a formal means, it is not a friendly means of communication or informal means of communication. It is a formal means of communication. For example, in our school, you might have seen notices displayed in the notice board, right? So the purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Okay, so what is the purpose of a notice is, the purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. So why notice is displayed in our school notice board? For example, if there is any sports announcement or if there is any celebrations, or if there is any prize distribution or prize list, it will be pasted in our notice board. So why it is displayed in our notice board is so that all the students and all the teachers, parents, everybody comes to know about what is displayed in the notice board. So that is the purpose of a notice. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards in schools or in public places. So we can see notice pinned up in the specific display boards, that is in the notice boards in the schools or in the public places also we can see the notices. Okay, so how to write a notice? So how to prepare the notice? The name of the school or the institution must be prominent. Okay, so the name of the school or the institution should be prominent. It should be clearly written. It should be clear, legible and in capital letters. So the name of the school or the name of the institution should be clear. It should be clearly displayed or clearly printed or written. It should be very legible and it should be written in the capital letters. Okay, so legible means it should be easy to understand. It should be looking well. It should be looking good so that it will be very easy to understand. Okay. The name of the program for which the notice is drafted through should be highlighted. So for what the notice is drafted, or for what the notice is written or prepared, or for what the notice is pinned up should be highlighted. The date of drafting the notice must be written on the top left or right corner of the box. Okay, so first of all, notice writing should be written within a box. Okay, so the date of preparing the notice must be written on the top left corner or the top right corner of the box. You can start the notice by using expressions like, okay, so this will be greatly helpful to you. So we can start the notice writing by using the expressions like, this is to inform all the students. All the students are informed that. Okay, you must include details such as, so this is the format of writing a notice. So what are the details should be included? What is the notice about? So when that is going to happen, why it is happening, where it is happening, for whom is the program, everything should be included. Then date of registration and the last date for registration, everything should be included. Then the final sentence can be, so here they have given how we should begin. Then the fourth point they have given how we should begin the notice. Okay, so here they have given the how we should end the notice. So the final sentence can be, for further information or details, contact. For further details, contact. So contact the undersigned person. Undersigned person na keela sign pannirpaanga illaya, they are called undersigned person. Okay. See here, a sample notice is given. Okay, so you are Nikhil or Nikita, school people leader. So school people leader means leader for the school. Okay, of GHSS, that is Government Higher Secondary School, Trichy. Prepare a notice on behalf of your school inviting the grandparents of the students to celebrate World Elders Day in your school auditorium on the 20th of next month. See, first of all, what is very very important is, first whatever it is, you have to understand the meaning of the question. That is very very important. Okay, so who is preparing the notice? A school people leader is preparing the notice. You are the school people leader, so your name may be Nikhil or Nikita. Okay, so here you can write your name also. So in the exam paper you should not mention the name. For name we have to write as XXX. Illena question paper la kuduthirukka name itself you can write. Okay, so you are Nikhil or Nikita, school people leader of Government Higher Secondary School, Trichy. Prepare a notice on behalf of your school. Okay, so you are going to prepare a notice on behalf of your school. So what is the purpose of preparing the notices? Inviting the grandparents of the students to celebrate the World Elders Day. Okay, so you are preparing a notice to invite all the grandparents of the students studying in your school. For what? To celebrate the World Elders Day in your school. So where is the celebration is happening? Means it is going to happen in the school auditorium. So when? 20th of next month. So in the question they have given answers for many questions. See this point. So you can see this point. What, when, why, where, for whom is the program, idella ketirukanga illaya. So here see, so what is the purpose of the program? Inviting whom? The grandparents. For what? To celebrate the World Elders Day. So where is the celebration? In the school auditorium. So when is the celebration? On the 20th of next month. So in the question itself they have given lot of answers. Okay, so see, this is the notice. So as I said already, the notice should be in a box. Okay, definitely notice neenga box la podla abdina, they will not award you mark. Just they will strike it out. So the notice should be in the box. Okay, see, what is the first point? The name of the school or the institution must be prominent. It should be clear, legible and in capital letters. So first of all you have to write as notice nu kandipa eludano. Then the name of the school. So what is the name of the school given in the question? Government Higher Secondary School, Trichy. Okay, next, the name of the program for which the notice is drafted, that is for which the notice is prepared, should be highlighted. So what is the name of the program given in the question? World Elders Day. Okay, so it should be written. See, all this you can use, you can write in pencil or in the pen, but it should be a normal handwriting la irundhu konjam different highlight panni eluduningna it will be very beautiful to see. Okay, the date of drafting the notice must be, so second point over. Third point, the date of drafting the notice must be written on the top left or right corner of the box. So the date of preparing the notice, so it can be written either here or here. In any of these places you can write. So the date should be written. Next, see, fourth point, you can start the notice by using the expressions like this is to inform all the students or all the students are informed. So see here, all the students are informed that our school is celebrating, so informed that our school is celebrating World Elders Day. Okay, so now come to the next point. So what we are celebrating? So what? We are celebrating World Elders Day. When we are celebrating? On 20th December. What is the time? At 3:30. And where we are celebrating in our school auditorium. Okay, so for whom அப்படிங்கிறது why அப்படிங்கிறது இதெல்லாம் வேற questionக்கு it may be suitable, இந்த questionக்கு it is not applicable. Okay, so interested students are requested to bring their grandparents for the celebration. So the interested students can bring their grandparents for the World Elders Day celebration. Tea and snacks will be provided. Fun activities will also be organized. Okay, next the final. So the date of registration அப்படிங்கிறது suppose if any sports events நடக்குது or if there is any other competitions are happening, so அதுக்கு the last date for registration is அப்படி நீங்கள் அதுக்கு இது யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். For this it is not necessary. Okay, the final sentence can be for further information or details contact. Okay, so இது இங்க வேணும்னாலும் you can include this. For further information contact the undersigned. Undersigned யாரு? நிக்கில் head boy or Nikita head girl. நீங்க உங்க நேம் எழுதிக்கலாம். For example Priya head girl or என்ன சொல்லலாம், Dinesh head boy. Like that you can write your name. Okay, so in the point if you want you can include, no problem, it is not wrong. So this is how you have to prepare the notice. So undersigned அப்படினா இங்க கீழ they are putting the name signature இல்லையா, this is called as undersigned. So this is how you have to prepare the notice. Definitely it should be written in the box. Definitely you have to write notice. Then the name of the institution should be written in bold letters. The name of the celebration should be written in bold letters. Date should be written either in the left or in the right. Then next one you can begin with all the students are informed, or this is to inform all the students. Then when, where, why, purpose, everything, all this you have to include. You can conclude with for further details contact the undersigned. Definitely you have to put the undersigned. Okay, so this is how you have to prepare a notice. See now, some exercise questions were given for you. Prepare notice for the following. So what is the question? You are the school monitor of Modern Matriculation School, Viluppuram. Your school principal has requested you to inform the students about a trip to ERCOT for 3 days. Prepare a notice giving the details such as date of journey, mode of transportation, amount, dress code, etc. Just I will explain you the meaning of the question. You have to prepare the notice by yourself. Okay, so you are the school monitor. School monitor is nothing but school leader. Okay, so you are the school monitor. What is the name of the school? Modern Matriculation School, Viluppuram. So நீங்க இதெல்லாம் எதுவும் மாத்தி எழுத வேண்டாம். What is given in the question you can write it as it is. Okay, your school principal has requested you to inform the students about what? About a trip to ERCOT for how many days? 3 days. So you have to prepare a notice. So what are the details you have to include is, you have to include the details such as date of journey, mode of transportation, what is the amount for the tour, what is the dress code, whether in uniform or ununiform, or under the snacks details, food details, boarding and lodging, because we are going to stay for 3 days. Like this you can include other extra informations also. Okay, this is about the first exercise question. Let us see about the second question. So what is the second question is, you are the secretary of Park Circus Residents Welfare Association. Write a notice to inform the residents of your colony of a meditation program under the guidance of Dr. P. Ranjit with a view to understanding the self better. The program is exclusively for the residents. It will be conducted on the second Saturday of the following month from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. at the Children's Park nearby. Okay, so you are the secretary of Park Circus Residents Welfare Association. So you are the secretary of Park Circus Residents Welfare Association. So what is the purpose of the notice is to inform the residents of your colony. Residents na unga area la குடியிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, ஸோ அவங்க they are called as residents. Okay, to inform the residents of a colony of a meditation program. Okay, so a meditation program is going to be conducted. So under the guidance of Dr. P. Ranjit, with a view to understanding the self better. Okay, to understand ourselves better. Okay, so it is a meditation program is going to be conducted for the residents of your area under the guidance of Dr. P. Ranjit. What is the purpose? Is understanding the self better. The program is exclusively for the residents. So for whom the program is? It is for the residents of that area. It will be conducted on the second Saturday of the following month, that is in the coming month, upcoming month, from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. So where the program is going to be conducted is at the Children's Park nearby. Okay, so this is the meaning of the question. Prepare a notice yourself. Okay, let me explain you the third question now. You are the Ganesh or Gayatri, head boy or head girl of your school. Write a notice for your school notice board informing the students about the fancy feast that is going to be organized in your school campus on the 10th of next month. Okay, so you are Ganesh or Gayatri, head boy or head girl of your school. So write a notice for your school notice board informing the students about the fancy dress competition that is going to be organized in your school campus on 10th of next month. So what is this month? October. 10th of next month means that is November 10. Okay, so the competition is going to be held on November 10th. Okay, so write a notice for your school notice board. For what you have to prepare a notice, you have to inform them about the fancy dress competition. So where the competition is going to be held? It is going to be held in your school campus. When it is going to be held? On November 10. Okay, so for this you can include the date of registration. When you can suppose see they have given the competition is going to be held on 10th November. So இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு October you have to register your the participants can register your name on the last of October, like, or you can give a date on October 25. So registration will be closed on October 25. So like for this you can include the date of registration like that. Okay, so I have explained you the meaning of 3 exercise questions given in your book. So what you have to do is you have to prepare a notice very neatly of yourself. So what is very important is definitely the notice writing should be within a box. You have to put a box. No need of a decorative box. Advertisement mari there is no need of decorating the box and all. Simply you have to put a single lined box or double lined box and you have to prepare the notice. So definitely what should be there? Notice should be there. Name of the institution should be there. The title of the notice, the name of the program, the name of the celebration should be there. Date should be in the right or left. Okay, and all the when, where, why details should be in the should be included. And finally, definitely you have to undersign it. Okay, so this is how you have to prepare a notice. So I have explained you the meaning of all the 3 questions. Prepare your notice very neatly of yourself. Okay, so hope every one of you have understood. Thank you.